You don't need to be a professional developer to start building useful things with AI. That is one of the biggest changes happening right now. Before, if you wanted a landing page, a small business website, a calculator, a form, or a simple internal tool, you had two options: learn to code or pay someone to build it. But now, AI coding agents can help you create a first version much faster. So in this video, I'll explain 5 things you can build with AI even if you can't code, and how to think about these tools the right way. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools, AI agents, and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more with AI. Let's start simple. An AI coding agent is different from a normal chatbot. A chatbot gives you an answer. A coding agent can help create files, edit code, fix bugs, run checks, and explain what it changed. Tools like OpenAI Codex and Claude Code are examples of this new category. They are made to help with software, but you do not have to be a full-time programmer to understand the basic use case. You describe what you want, the AI builds the first version. Then you review, test, and improve it. So, what can normal people actually build? Use case number one: a landing page. This is probably the easiest and most useful example. If you are a coach, freelancer, creator, real estate agent, consultant, or small business owner, you can ask AI to create a simple landing page for your offer. For example, build a clean landing page for my fitness coaching business. Include a headline, short explanation, benefits, testimonials, pricing section, FAQ, and a contact form. That is much better than saying, build me a website. The more specific you are, the better the result. Use case number two: a contact form or lead form. A lot of businesses need simple forms: a form for booking calls, a form for collecting leads, a form for customer feedback, a form for quote requests. You can ask AI to build the form, add the fields, and even explain how the form should work. For example, create a lead form for a marketing agency. Ask for name, email, business type, monthly budget, and biggest marketing problem. This is useful because collecting leads is directly connected to making money. A calculator. This is a very underrated AI use case. You can build simple calculators for your audience or business. For example, a savings calculator, a pricing calculator, a calorie calculator, a mortgage estimate calculator, a return on investment calculator, a service quote calculator. If you run a business, a calculator can make your website more useful. For example, a marketing agency could build: how much content do you need per month? How many calories should you eat? A real estate agent could build: what monthly payment can you afford? AI can help create the first version. Use case number four: a simple dashboard. This is useful for business owners and creators. You can ask AI to build a basic dashboard that tracks numbers. For example, leads, sales, expenses, content ideas, video performance, client tasks. You do not need something complicated at the beginning. Even a simple table with filters and summary numbers can save time. The key is to start with one problem. For example, I want a dashboard where I can track my YouTube video ideas, status, publish date, views, and notes. That is a clear task. Use case number five: small business tools. This is where AI coding agents become very practical. You can build small tools for repeated work. For example, a proposal generator, a content calendar, a client onboarding checklist, a meeting notes formatter, a quote builder, a task tracker. These are not giant apps. They are small tools that solve annoying problems. And that is the best place to start. Do not try to build the next Facebook with AI. Build something that saves you 30 minutes every week or day. That is already valuable. Now, here are a few tips before you use AI coding agents. Tip 1: describe the result, not the technology. If you are not technical, do not worry about frameworks and code details. Just explain what a user should see and do. For example, I want a simple page where visitors can enter their email and request a free consultation. That is clear and simple. Tip 2: ask AI to make a first version only. Do not expect perfection in one prompt. A better workflow is build version 1, test it, find what is wrong, ask AI to fix it. That is how real building works. Tip number 3: keep the first project small. Start with one page, one form, one calculator, one dashboard. If the idea is too big, the AI may create something messy. Small projects are easier to review and improve. Tip 4: always test the result. Click the buttons, fill out the form, check it on mobile, read the text, make sure it works. AI can build fast, but it can also make mistakes. Tip 5: do not publish anything important without checking privacy and security. If your tool collects customer information, payments, or private data, you need to be careful. For simple demos and internal tools, AI is very useful. For anything serious, get someone technical to review it for now. The big idea is this: AI coding agents do not magically make everyone a senior developer, but they do make building small digital tools much easier. If you are a creator, freelancer, or business owner, this means you can test ideas faster. You can build landing pages faster. You can create useful tools much faster. And you can save money before hiring someone for every small change. So the simple rule is use AI coding agents for small, clear projects: landing pages, forms, calculators, dashboards, internal tools. That is where the value is. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario for simple AI tools and workflows every single day. Leave a comment with what would you build first: a landing page, a form, or something else. I'll use the best comments for future videos. See you in the next one.